Dr. Mrs. Majekodunmi from Ogun State, Ikereku, Abeokuta. I am the mother of the groom, Kunle Majekodunmi. I really appreciate the effort of my son, and I wish him and the wife, Smith, happy married life and successful living. For today, I'll say I thank God for them. I thank God for their life. They've gone through so many hardships, especially Kunle, but God has made him successful in all what is happening. And I thank God that we have seen today, all of us, including my son and the wife. And God will bless their marriage and their little baby, Ademide. I will not forget to mention that baby because it's making me happy anytime I see him. Thank God for Adekunle and thank God for Temitope. This marriage, I pray it will be successful in Jesus' name. God will continue to be with them. They will not see the bad side of life. And I continue to pray for them in spirit and in mind, that they will live successfully in life and God will bless them. What they are going to use to look after themselves and the baby and the one coming, God will provide for them. I wish them happy married life, long life, and more prosperity in life. Advice to the couple, Kunle and Temitope, is to show love to each other. The first thing is love. If there's love, there's no quarrel. If there's understanding, they will live long and live well. Then the third one is that they must pray together, put God first in their life. They need to put God love first, because if you don't have God in your house, pray together, talk together, read the Bible together, and give each other appreciation of life. And they must show love. Love is the first thing. A second thing after prayer. Then they must be trustworthy. They must be truthful to each other. And I pray for God guidance on them, and God will protect and guide them.
Thank you very much.